Find the rank of this matrix. Okay, answer. Let A is equals to 2 1 minus 1 3 2 2 1 3 minus 1. Okay, by elementary row operation on A, the matrix A reduces to, okay, A is equals to whatever you have, write down 2 1 minus 1 3 2 2 1 3 minus 1. Okay, next write down arrow, not equal sign. First row is fixed, 2 1 minus 1 is fixed. Second row you want to change, that is this number as a 0. Okay, then how to transform? R2 dash, this R2 dash means new R2. How to calculate? Which row you want to change? Second row. So you write R2 at first. By which you want to change? Which one is fixed here? So here R1 is fixed. So you write down R1 is here. Okay, then you check the number. This 3 is associated with the R2. This 2 is associated with R1. Just change the number. This 3 should be here and this 2 should be here. Clear? I repeat once again. Here 3 is associated with the R2, 2 is associated with R1. Interchange the number. This 3 should be associated with R1 and this 2 should be with R2. Now you check they are same sign. So you should write minus. Okay. Now calculate 6 minus 6 0, 3 to the 4 minus 3, that is 1, 2 to the 4 minus minus plus 3, that is 7. Now come to the next. This number you want to transfer as a 0. Same process. R3 dash is equals to, first you write R3, then you write R1, then you check the number. Here it is 1 and here it is 2. Exchange the number. This 1 should be here and this 2 should be here. Clear? Just change the position. Then you check the sign. 2 and 1 both are same sign, so you should write minus. Now 2 into 1 minus 2, 0. 2 into 3, that is 6, minus 1, that is 5. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 and minus plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. Clear? Now, so our target is achieved. So this portion. Now our target, this number should be 0. Why? Because to transform this matrix as a echelon form. Now first row and second row are fixed. 2 1 minus 1 0 1 7. Okay, so you want to transform this number as a 0. How to calculate? Same process. R3 dash is equals to, first you write down R3. Now you have double row. Row number 1, row number 2. Which one should I select? So just please remember, in first step row 1 calculations, in second step are row 2 calculations, so that's why you should write R2. Now in second row 1 and third row 5. So interchange the position. 5 should be here and 1 should be here. Now you check the sign. Both are same sign, so you should subtract it. Now simplify. 0 0 minus 1 minus 35. that is 36 minus 36. मेरा equals to B. Okay. Next you write down after elementary row operations on A, we have the echelon from B, which have 3, that is 1, 2 and 3 non-zero rows. Hence, the rank of matrix B is 3, and consequently the rank of the given matrix A is 3. Okay, this is the solution of this question. Now try to understand rank with another example. Find the rank of this matrix A. Answer. Here A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 8. Okay. By elementary row operations on A, the matrix A reduces to, write down A is equals to whatever you have, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now you should write arrow sign. First row is fixed, 1, 2, 3. We want to change this number as a 0. How to transform? Very easy, already you know. R2 dash is equals to R2, then R1. Okay. Why R1? Because R1 is fixed here. Okay. Now check the number 3 and 1. Interchange the position. This 3 should be here. This 1 should be here. Then both are same sign. You should subtract. Then calculate this. 3 into 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. Similarly, R3 dash is equals to, first you write down R3 and then you write down R1. Okay, same. 4 and 1, interchange the position. 4 should be here and 1 should be here. Okay, then you check the sign, both are same sign. 1 coefficient plus 4 coefficient plus, so I should subtract. Same calculation. 4 into 1 minus 4 into this means 0. 6 into 1 minus is minus 8, that is minus 2. 8 into 1 minus 12. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Okay, so our first line calculation is over. Next, write down first row, second row as it is. From here, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 4. Okay, then R3, this number you want to change as a 0. So that's why you should write R3 dash. Don't be confused about these R3 dash and these R3. These R3 dash is associated with these steps only, and this R3 dash should be associated with this. Okay. Next you write down R3 and then R2. So in this step we should consider R2 only. Clear? Now you check. Both are same sign as well as both are same number. Okay, so you can write, if both are same number, then you can write 1 and 1. Just you have to check. Here both are different numbers, so that's why we are using that number with the opposite sense. Okay, opposite sense means change wise. These 3 which should be R1 and 1 should be R2. But here in this case, minus these 2 and these 2 both are same number, so that's why I'm writing 1 and 1. Clear? Please memorize. If you have a same number, you should write 1 and 1. Now you check the sign. Minus, minus, both are same sign. If both are same sign, write minus. If opposite sign, write plus. Okay, then so this minus this, 0, 0 and 0. Then you write down equal to B. Okay. After elementary row operations on A, we have the echelon form matrix B, okay, which have 2 non-zero rows. Very important part. 2 non-zero rows means this 2 non-zero rows. So here it is as 0 row means if all elements are 0. If any one element is, at least any one element on a particular row is non-zero, then it is called non-zero row. Okay, non-zero row. Hence, the rank of matrix B is 2, and consequently the rank of the given matrix is 2. Clear?